In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn numbers to Roman numerals in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to convert regular numbers into Roman numerals. This method is quick and built directly into Excel, so you do not need any extra tools or add-ins. Once your workbook is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the numbers are placed in cells A1 through A5. Now let's set up the area where the Roman numeral results will appear. Click cell B1 and type Roman numeral. This gives your new column a clear heading, which is especially helpful if you are working with a larger spreadsheet and want to keep everything organized. Next, click into cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula that converts the number from the A column into a Roman numeral. Type an equal sign followed by the word Roman, then an opening parenthesis, then A2, and finally a closing parenthesis. The full formula should read as equals Roman, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis. After entering the formula, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Excel will return the Roman numeral version of the number in cell A2. For example, if A2 contains 18, the result will be 78. That is the Roman numeral representation of 18. This is a good moment to pause and confirm that the formula worked correctly before applying it to the rest of your data. Once you've verified the result, you can copy the formula down to the remaining rows instead of typing it again manually. Select cell B2, then move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward until you reach cell B5. Excel will automatically copy the formula to the cells below and adjust the references for each row, so each number in column A is converted into its matching Roman numeral in column B. This is a simple and efficient way to convert numbers in Excel, especially when you're working with multiple entries at once. Using the Roman function saves time and helps avoid mistakes that can happen when converting values manually. And that's it. You now know how to turn numbers into Roman numerals in Excel.